As you know, Memorial Day is the unofficial start of summer, and that's the peak season for electrical problems and hazards. Joining us to share how families can stay safe is Rusty Wise with Mister Sparky. Rusty, thank you for joining us today. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, so talk about why summer is actually one of the most dangerous times of the year for electrical hazards at home.
Well, we like water, so we play around water in pools and ponds and lakes. And I brought this buoy here that we use to check water for shocks. Electrical shock drownings are very common this time of year, and there'll be some deaths, unfortunately. But a lot of times you'll see a swimmer dive in a pond or a lake and, you know, they don't come back up. A lot of times it's electrical voltages in the water. So we keep building all these homes and electric around these bodies of water, and it's starting to cause some problems.
I mean, I wouldn't even think about that. Right?
Not at all. How does this thing work? So you just drop that in the water and it should give you like how much current, how much amperage is in the water?
Yeah, it checks for voltage in the water, and a lot of times around your pools. A lot of these pools were built, you know, maybe in the 70s, 80s, and the grounding ring around the body of water or the pool goes bad. You know, nothing lasts forever, so people are starting to get shocked as they go in and out of the water. So it's becoming more and more of a problem. So we can put this in the water, check to see if you have voltages, and then we can repair that also. Like if you have a bad ground or something like that, we could repair that.
Okay, that's some good stuff.
So that's something a homeowner or someone who's got a pool in their backyard, they should consider doing before they're out using the pool.
Yeah, I can't stress enough that you need to check your electrical system, especially around pools. Make sure you have GFCI receptacles, make sure everything's protected, because we're wearing, you know, I'm wearing an Apple Watch, we're wearing more devices, electronics, and if you're around bodies of water that are energized, that could be bad.
Okay. So many of us are blasting the AC right now, of course, with the warmer temperatures. What does that do to the electrical system?
Well, I brought an AC disconnect with me today, and this is a disconnect that disconnects the power from it if you're working on it, but this is burnt. I don't know if you can see that on camera.
Yeah, he's zooming in on it right now. I think we've got it.
Yeah,
Yep.
But what happens is when it's hot outside and humidity's so hot, we love humidity, we wear the weather here, you know,
We do.
especially in the summertime, but your AC's running constantly. And then that puts a tremendous load on the electrical system, and disconnects like this can burn. So you need to have it checked, you know, have us come out or use your favorite electrician to come out and check things, because most people wait till something's not working, on fire or smoking before they call us.
Well, Rusty, what else did you bring here?
That's a surge protector. Summer storms, lightning, that will dump the excess voltage into the ground. We have our own brand, Mister Sparky brand, so when you have an electrical storm hitting the lines, you might have induced voltage into your home, and we have smart TVs, computers, all this stuff going on, and this would dump it into the ground instead of burning your appliances or your electronics up.
Okay, very quickly, if people remember just one thing you said, what's the one thing you want homeowners to do to keep in mind this summer?
Be safe around bodies of water, and if you have an electrician come out and inspect your home. A lot of the companies do it for free. We do it for free. And one other thing I'd like to bring up is everybody likes to shop online, and we're starting to see a lot of counterfeit receptacles. This is not UL listed. It's from China. It's not UL standard, and we're starting to see a lot of people buy these off Amazon or any of the online retailers, and this is not UL. It's cheap, but don't put this product in your home.
Oh my gosh, good to know, Rusty. Thank you so much. For more, go to MrSparkyCharlotte.com. Again, we thank you for your time.
And that's no malarkey. Call Mr. Sparky.
That's right. That's right. Thanks, Rusty.